So what do we call this then? Pak Choi, Bak Choi, Pak Choi, so many different names. Today we're going to make a really simple recipe with this, just with onions, garlic, soy and water. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, super simple this one. I've got some oil in there, about 3 tablespoons. You can use any oil you want. I'm using a sunflower. Just a small onion and about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. If you want, you could add ginger to this as well. The heat's on, just put that on. It's on above medium. We're just going to add salt and some black pepper. And we're going to go for just about 3 or 4 minutes. So I've got my Bak Choi here. I've just cut it in half. I've got this type. It comes in many types. Bak Choi, Pak Choi. Just going to get as much as I can in this pan. I'm then going to add some soy. I've got a dark soy. You could use light if you want. Couple of tablespoons. And like a cup of water. I'm going to stick a lid on that and I'll be back in 4 minutes. It won't take long. Okay, I just got the lid off. Now I was just 4 minutes. Now you can go longer if you want, because I like a nice bit of a crunch on it. I mean, that is pretty soft though. Very simple, very delicious. Okay, and there you go, super simple. I just put some chopped green onions on there. I love that like that, nice as a side. In fact, I like to eat that just like that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.